That is a fucking funnel. Levitt, no bullshit. Look it on the ground.
Yeah.
Be ready to jet. Levitt, shit goes down. You gotta haul ass under the underpass. Wait for Raffy. Raffy, you see Raffy take off. We go.
Raffy's under the underpass too. I see him.
Is he?
Yeah, he's right behind that big truck.
Should we haul ass into his truck? As far as I can go. Oh shit. Oh god. Fucking crazy.
I saw that bitch too. I was like, man, why is that shit starting to go down like that?
Oh my god, look at that.
You see all the paper and shit.
This is the fun and games when we're here. This is the truck, Levitt. I don't know what it is. That's weird, man. We don't feel anything really.
Truck started to shake.
Yeah, I'm taking video of the whole thing, dude. Those things snap like twigs, man. It was scary.
The truck started to shake.
Man, just keep an eye on. You see where it's down on the ground? You'll just see stuff getting picked up. It almost looked like siding or something was up in the air. You know what's crazy? They were talking to the lady in the gas station while I was there, and the manager was telling the other chick, he goes, if the lights go out, we gotta kick everybody out. Somebody honking? Is that Raffy? Let's go, Levitt.